Hello friends, today we are discussing about motion control system in CNC machine. First we will discuss point to point control system in CNC drilling of thread hole in flat plate. System moves to a location and perform in operation at the location in drilling process. It is also applicable for horizontal axis of x-axis and vertical axis of y-axis. Tool starting point from absolute programming is there from 1, 2, 3 and vertical axis goes to vertical axis of the workpiece. Second, continuous path control in CNC profile milling of a part outline, also called countering system in machining. System performs an operation during movement. Here you can see that x-axis is a horizontal axis and y-axis is a vertical axis of a job. Here tool profile starts from horizontal axis of x-axis and goes to vertical axis of y-axis. This is a tool profile and tool path defined at the preferred location. These are the elements of CNC system in which input devices, central processing unit or machine control unit, machine tools, driving system, feedback devices and display units are there. What is input devices? Input devices having accessories of floppy disk drive, USB flash drive, serial communication, Ethernet communication, conversational programming or conventional programming. Central processing unit or machine control unit having a CPU of CNC system. It accepts the information stored in the memory of part program. This data is decoded and transformed into specific position of control and velocity signals. It also oversees the movement of the control axis or spindle in whenever this does not match the programmed value at a corrective action as taken. What is machine tool? Machine tools are made of high-speed steel or tungsten, carbide or ceramics. Tools are designed to direct waste away from material. Some tools need to coolant such as oil to protect, cool and work. Here you can see that the x-axis of a job and z-axis of the tool post is there for flat bed. What is driving system? Driving system, the requirement is that driving system has to respond accurately according to the programmed instructions. The motor is coupled either directly or through a gearbox to machine lead screw to the motor and moves to the machine slide of the spindle. There are three types of motor commonly used in industries. First is DC motor, second AC motor, third is stepper motor. We can discuss the DC servo motor. The principle of operation is based on the rotation of an armature winding in a permanently energized magnetic field. The armature winding is connected to a commutator which is cylinder of insulated copper segment mounted on a shaft. DC current is passed to the commutator through carbon buses which are connected to machine terminals. Here you can see that the brake system is there, permanent magnet or rotor is there. The terminal box and measuring of gearbox is there. DC servo motor continues the change of the motor speed by the varying the armature voltage and control motor torque is achieved by controlling the motor armature current. In order to achieve the necessary dynamic behavior, it is operated in a closed loop system. We can already discussed in part 1 of open loop and control loop closed system. obtain the velocity and position feedback signals. AC servo motor. In AC servo motor, the rotor is permanent magnet while the stator is equipped within three-phase winding. The speed of the rotor is equal to the rotation frequency of magnetic field of the stator, which is regulated by frequency converter. As you can see the pictorial view of servo motor,